Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy old Merc's PAL in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in game, search for a blacksmith like this one right here in Mondstadt. Go near it and then press F to talk, like so, and click on the first option, which is what do you have to sell. So here are all the items the blacksmith is selling right now. Here's search for old Merc's PAL, which is right over here. Click on it, and on the bottom right side of your screen you will see an option called purchase. Click on it. It's going to cost 600 Mora. So to confirm your purchase, just click on this purchase button right here and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!